Würth Construction Site Project Management. What is that exactly? The CSPM team increases the efficiency of their customers' construction projects. From planning to supply to documentation, our specialists support our customers throughout the entire construction process, using innovative products, clever services, and a professional engineering service. Our sales representatives support both construction and technical building services companies all over the world. Würth sales engineers advise planners and investors, and this way they are involved in new projects from the very beginning. The highly qualified technical key account managers give support to the customers, providing advice in their specialist areas of technical building services, structural civil engineering, anchor technology, fire protection, and timber construction throughout the entire construction process. In our own engineering office, the requirements of our customers and their projects are planned and designed. On the construction site, the project sales representatives ensure supplies of the required products. We deliver technical building services modules, planned in the BIM model, prefabricated and fully equipped just in time and just in place to the installation site. Thanks to our BAULOC logistics solutions, we deliver pre-assembled and pre-picked goods directly to the construction and the installation site. The BAULOC system offers a wide range of options from the service box to the rental depot to the shop on the construction site. We also offer professional advice and innovative products in the field of timber concrete composite structures. RELAST is a solution designed for the revitalization of existing building structures, both in building construction and on infrastructure construction sites. This way, structures can be made more robust while in use and withstand the ever-increasing traffic loads in the future. This significantly improves the carbon footprint. The Würth iBlock is an innovative fire stop for ceiling ducts, an efficient fire protection system that significantly reduces workloads across industries. Sophisticated software solutions are used for technical applications, calculations, administration, and documentation. We make several contributions to increasing productivity, improving the carbon footprint, thus contributing to more sustainability and counteracting the shortage of skilled workers. Würth Construction Site Project Management.